Hello, world.
And hello, world!
It's Adam and Petri, and we're here today, and we're going to teach you something new. It's called the National Anthem of the United States of America.
What's a national anthem?
Well, it's like a song, and it kind of is, each country kind of picks a song to kind of represent them. So this one is for the United States of America.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, say, can you see?
I can see.
By the dawn's early light, what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave? Thanks for waving. O'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
All right, good job.
And thanks for listening to the National Anthem. Have a wonderful day.